I'm going to interview the CEO of MEPEQ, Tony Meghabghab. We are still at Gulfood Manufacturing 2024. Tony, what is MEPEQ?
MEPEQ is a group of companies who are specialized in providing customized automation solutions.
Where do you come from?
We originally started from Lebanon, but now we are more in a regional perspective. So we have offices in Riyadh, in Dubai, in Cairo, in Baghdad, and our factory is in Tbilisi in Georgia.
Which are your industrial targets?
We mainly serve the all FMCG, fast-moving consumer goods industry, whether it could be personal care or chemical detergent, or as well dairy and beverage and food factories. We have big references in Al Mara'i, for example. In the dairy business, we have Unilever. We made many projects in the region.
So very important names.
Of course. We've been here for 30 years, so I hope so.
So, which are the news that you are showcasing at Gulfood Manufacturing? And I know that is a very new.
Yes, definitely. We found out that there is some reluctance for the small and medium factories when they have small lines to automate their lines because it's not easy to justify the investment from a ROI perspective. And this is why we developed a cobot system for palletization application, where at the end of the line, you can replace easily 2-4 operators. I mean, if you work 2 shifts, and the payback will be in 2 years. The advantage of the system is very easy to deploy. So you don't want supplier with technician to come every time to install the line. So you can install it, the customer can install it themselves with their technicians. It's a very compact footprint. So it takes the same place as you have manual operation. And it's future-proof. That means if in the future you have a new carton you want to put in place, a new pattern that you want to build on a pallet, you can do it yourself.
So in your opinion, which are the main advantages of this solution?
These are big advantages for the solution. Compactness, because normally small factories lack of space, and then more or less it's automation and can digitize and can be connected for smart manufacturing in the future.
We are at the last day of Gulfood Manufacturing. Your opinion on this edition?
I think this exhibition is getting more and more powerful, and not only in the region. They prove that worldwide it's really getting above many other European exhibitions from this perspective. It covers the region, but you have as well a lot of visitors from Africa, from the Indian continent, not only from the Middle East.
It's an hub.
Yes, exactly.
So do you think that you are going to be present also the 25 edition?
Definitely.
So we'll meet you and MEPEQ at Gulfood Manufacturing 2025. Thank you so much,
Thank
Tony.
you, Sonia.
Thank you to MEPEQ.